Hello and welcome to our OpenText Migrate and Availability video series. Today I'll be speaking on how OpenText Migrate and Availability's powerful set of options can help solve our customers' pain points. My name is Jacqueline Proby and I'm a solutions consultant at OpenText. I specialize in the OpenText Migrate and Availability solutions. So let's get started and review just one example of how OpenText Migrate and Availability has helped others migrate to anywhere. We recently worked with a company that needed to migrate and consolidate an application and move specific data volumes into the cloud. The organization needed to migrate the application data volumes into a single environment, and in order to optimize for space, we were able to use OpenText Migrate to merge many of the file systems and exclude the operating system and application-based backup, temp, and massive log files. This gave us peace of mind that the migration to the cloud was as streamlined and efficient as possible. The organization was concerned about setting up an efficient migration plan that wouldn't impact the mission-critical application and affect the content stored on the volumes. They wanted a plan where they could start the initial setup of migrating the storage volumes while the application was available and accessible to their end users. During the planning of the migration, it was critical that they took only the application-specific content and reduced the application and operating system bloat by eliminating the log, temp, and backup files. With OpenText Migrate, we were able to utilize one of its many powerful features to solve this problem by choosing the data that is included or excluded from the migration. By using flexible replication rules for excluding the log, backup, and temp files, the migration is now controlled and can only include the essential data identified in the migration plan. The organization was able to perform a consolidation of the application-specific content while ensuring the migration was streamlined and as efficient as possible. All this was done while keeping the production application available to the end users. OpenText Migrate and Availability allows for flexible data selection through replication rules. Replication rules are available to include or exclude the data that will be targeted for replication to the new environment. When the data replication rule is specified, Migrate selects the data based on the identified rules. Data replication rules options include inclusive or exclusive data paths. OpenText Migrate will replicate the data where volumes and folders are identified and include partially or within individual files and folders. Recursive or non-recursive, OpenText Migrate can automatically apply recursive rules to the subdirectories of the specified path. And wildcard rules to include or exclude entire data classifications and exclude specific file types. With OpenText Migrate and Availability, with all its powerful configuration options, especially when it comes to specifying data replication rules, you too can feel confident that your migration projects won't impact your day-to-day production systems or your end users. Thank you for your time. Again, my name is Jacqueline Proby, and I'm here to help you migrate to anywhere. To learn more about what OpenText Migrate and Availability can do for your business, please email us at igc_sales@opentext.com.